Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. Today we're going to set up our YouTube channel homepage. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go to our YouTube channel. So here's my YouTube channel at the moment. I've got some content on it. I've got a couple of subscribers already. So if you want to subscribe, please go ahead and hit that like button. So I'm signed into YouTube at the moment, okay? You can see here's my channel dashboard. So what we want to do is look at the channel from an outsider's perspective, okay? So what other people will see when they come to your channel. Okay, so we do that by clicking on the logo up here and go into your channel. Okay, so this is what the channel looks like if somebody visits it from outside. It looks like there's no content on the channel, so this is something we're going to have to fix today. If I go to videos, you can see I've already got 4 videos on there. So I want these to show on the homepage so that it looks like my channel has some content. So what we want to do is go to Customize Channel. So click on Customize Channel and it takes us to the channel customization screen. This is where our banner image, our profile picture and all those bits we did in a previous video. If you haven't seen that yet, have a look at that here. This is where you'll see our channel description and everything we did in that previous video, okay? But what we want to do now is go along to this home tab. This is where we set up our home page that people are going to see, okay? So if we click on that, okay. Home tab, show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Okay, we want that on. If it's not on, just click on it and turn it on. Okay. Layout. Customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. Okay. And it says there you can customize the layout of your YouTube channel so that viewers can view your channel trailer, featured video and featured sections when they get to your channel homepage. So what we want to do is add section. So these are all the things you can choose from. You can put a channel trailer, so that's like a little welcome video to your channel. You can put a spotlight video, so this is for returning subscribers so they don't see your welcome video again, because that can get boring if you go to someone's homepage and you see the welcome video every time. You end up knowing the script yourself and that can get a bit tedious. So if you put spotlight on, then returning subscribers can have a different video shown to them. Maybe your latest video or something like that. Okay, and then for you, videos, popular videos, short videos, live, past live streams. So there's so much choice on what you can put on your homepage. Today, I'm going to select videos because that's all I've got at the moment is 4 videos on my channel, but I want them to show my homepage so that people can go straight to my homepage and see them. Okay, so if I click on videos, then there they are. Those are my 4 videos. Okay, now if you want to remove this section, if you add something that you don't really want, all you have to do is go to the 3 dots and click on remove section and it goes. Okay, so let's add that section again. Let's add videos and there are my 4 videos. Okay, now what we really have to remember is to press publish, okay, because none of these changes you make on this page will take effect until you press that publish button. So if we go to publish, then it's publishing. Okay, changes published. Okay, let's go and have a look at our channel. Let's go back to there and we click on your channel. Now you can see we've got some content on our homepage. How much better does that look? Rather than having that empty page that said no channel content, we've got these 4 videos that I've already uploaded on the channel homepage now. So hopefully when people come to the channel homepage, they will see those videos and they might want to watch those. Now what we could add here as well is the playlist, because I've got playlists there. Okay, so I've got my Tuesday tips, advice and strategies, and I've got my Friday tutorials. Okay, so I could add these to the homepage. So we could do that. So let's go back home. So perhaps we could put these under the videos or above the videos. Let's have a go at doing that. So let's go again to customize channel. Here we are again on the channel customization page. Go to home tab again. And this is what we've got at the moment. We've got our 4 videos. Let's add a section. And let's choose multiple playlists. Okay. So now it's showing us our playlists here. So that there are my Tuesday tips, advice and strategies and my Friday tutorials. Okay. So we can put a title to this. So we can just say playlists. You can call it whatever you want. Okay. But I'm just going to call it playlists. And we want to include that one. And we want to include that one. So remember to tick these boxes. Check these boxes. Okay. And then we'll go done. And here they are. Now you can move these around if you want to, okay? So just by dragging here, see it turns into a little hand. That means you can drag it up. We can put our playlists on the top and we can put our videos underneath. It's up to you which way around you want to do this, okay? I'm going to put my videos at the top because I've only got 4. So once I've got more videos, then I will put perhaps the playlist on the top. So if people want to learn the step-by-step tutorials, then they can just watch that playlist and go through it step by step to build their own YouTube channel, which could be you. You could be building your own YouTube channel if you follow my steps. And remember to subscribe if you want more tips, advice and strategies. There's a new video every Tuesday and every Friday. So make sure to subscribe, like and hit that bell button for notifications so you don't miss a video. So here we have our home tab, it's switched on, our layout, we've got our 4 videos at the top and we've got the playlist at the bottom. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. Remember, we always need to press publish to make the changes. So we press publish and it says changes published. Okay, so we'll go there again to our account and we'll go to our channel. And here we are. So this makes it much more aesthetic. When somebody comes to your channel, they see your videos, they see your playlists, and it makes it easy for them to access any of your videos, okay? Which in turn should increase your watch hours and hopefully your subscribers as well. So that's how you set up your YouTube homepage. I hope you found that useful. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.